Today, we talk about how to use the leftover support pieces to clean up the failed parts. Also, you can use the model you want to throw away to do it. Put in the leftover support pieces to VAT when print failed. Taller pieces would work better. Setting exposure time, better is the 30s, the KP6. Then run the tank clean tool. Waiting for the process to finish. Try to pull up the layer directly but failed. So use the tweezer gently to pull up the thin layer and any failed parts out. Let it drip a while. Throw away this layer and then you can keep going to print now. The loose bits stay in our VAT after print failed. If you don't clean up, it could have broken our LCD.